Okay, Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Laiba. I am teaching to you maths subject. This is a session of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all must fine. Students, due to global pandemic, we started online classes for your convenience. Okay? So now open your book. Okay? In our In our last lecture, we covered this topic ordinal numbers. Okay, you know very well what is ordinal number and what is the idea of ordinal number. Okay, and we also done this page number 5 in the last lecture. Okay, I'm review this lecture again. Okay, so you know very well that the write the position of each car given on the previous page in the blank box. First has been done for you. This is a blue color car and one number car. Okay, so you can find here blue color car or else one number car. Okay, the number is very important. The car number is very important. So you can find here that where is one number car. You can what is the number or what is the number 3. Okay, you can find one number car. Okay, this is a 3 number car. No, this is a 7 number car, 22 number car, 24 number car, 5 number car, 8 number car, 11 number car, 1 number car. This is the 1 number car. Okay, and what was the position? Position is 8. The position is 8. Yes, we can write here 8. Okay, then next, what is the number of this car? 8 number car. You can find 3 number car. No, we can find 8 number car, 7 number car, 22 number car, 24 number car, 5 number car, 8 number car. Yes, so what was the position of 8 number car? Is 6th. Is 6th. So we can write here 6. Okay, I hope you all must do this page and done this page. Okay, this is the last lecture. I will review this lecture. Okay, you can write down date here. Okay, and also day. Okay, numbers. What is the topic name is numbers and numbers names. Numbers and numbers names. Numbers in words from 1 till 100. Okay, you have 1 till 100 numbers here. Okay, and students, you learn the spelling of the number. Okay, very well. This is a counting in words. Okay, so you know very well that the first number we started from 1. Our first number is 1. Okay, so what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Okay, O-N-E 1. What one after 1? What number will come? 2. 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O 2. Okay. Then what number will come after 2? 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. Okay. You can learn this spellings. Okay, spelling of the numbers, and okay, in your home. Okay, I will listen to you. Okay, I will listen to you this spelling of these numbers. Okay, then what number will come after 3? 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R 4. It's very easy and it's a basic thing. Okay, so just review this. Okay, and just read this. Okay, and I listen to you. I will listen. Okay, then you know very well that after this is the after 4, what will the number will come? 5. Okay, and what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. Okay, 6. Okay, what is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. Okay, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay, then what will number will come after 7? 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay, this is a very simple and basic. Okay, so you can just review this page. Okay, you can just read out this page. Okay, and I will listen to you in the next lecture. Okay, so 9, what was the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. 10, what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. 11, what after 10, what will number come after 10? 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay, 12, 12, after 11, what number will come? 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Okay, then after 12, what number will come? 13. And what is the number? What is the spelling of 13? T-H-I-R, third, T-E-E-N, teen, 13. Okay, then after 13, what number will come? 14. So what is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R, 4, T-E-E-N, teen, 14. Okay, then what number will come after 14? 15. Okay, 15. So what is the spelling of 15? F-I-F, fifth, T-E-E-N, teen, 15. Then what number will come after 15? Yes, come on. What number will come? 16. Very good. And what is the spelling of 16? S-I-X, 6, T-E-E-N, teen, 16. Okay, then tell me what will the number will come after 16? You know very well, students. Do you know? You know. Okay, 16. After 16, number will come 17. Okay, and 17. What is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-E-E-N, teen, 17. Okay, what number will come after 17? 18. Okay, what is the spelling of 18? E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-E-N, teen, 18. Then after, what number will come after 18? 19. What is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E, 9, T-E-E-N, teen, 19. Okay, then what number will come after 19? 20. So tell me spelling. Yes, come on. T-W-E-N, 20, 20. Then what after 20, what will the number come? 21. Yes. So the spelling was, yes, 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, O-N-E, 1, 21. And then after 21, what will number come? What will number come? 22, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, T-W-O-2, 22. Then after 22 number, what will number will come? 23, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, T-H-R-E-E-3, 23. Okay, so students, kindly you just review this page, or you can learn this spelling of these numbers. Okay, counting in words. Okay, so I will listen to you in next lecture. Till then, take care yourself. Okay, so we will meet you soon in the next lecture. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.